Hey team, today I've been working on and building an AI automation tool. How this works. So it's using it's using a workflow called N8N. N, the number 8, N. And it begins when there's an email and then it goes to this flow. So I will give you an example. Here's my Outlook and say send an email to where is it? So I send an email to Castillo at cloudautomations.cloud. And then I'll just call it testing 1, 2, 3 email demo for training. And then uh, say that you have like contents of the email. These could be like uh, uh, meeting notes, something like that, right? So it'd be um, like I'll go to one of my meetings. Uh, Go to one of my meeting, for example, go to your meeting note. Okay, there's some text there, right? So then I just go, so this is like an email of some documentation. It was like an IT support request, et cetera, et cetera. So people were visiting a site to repair some electronics equipment. So then I press execute. I execute the workflow and then send the email. So it's been sent. It's going to ChatGPT, and then that's going flowing through ChatGPT to this agent, and then this could go through a different set of things. Like it can go to your documents, it can go to Notion, or it can go to Supabase. Um, Hang on, I have to put this in. Uh, so when it goes to Supabase, Supabase is like a cloud database platform. And so when it goes to there, it will create a record that looks like this, where it has meeting. So it tells you, so it creates a table with the records. So the title is the sales meeting, and then a TLDR, what was discussed. The meeting discussed sales performance, marketing initiatives, and product updates, right? We could uh, we could format that, make it easier to read. Or we can go to, and so then the vision is then this will flow over to Notion. Notion is a database that is a document hub. So, uh, so here you can see the query, and then so it's meeting focuses on sensor installations across various Texas locations, including front door sensors, motion sensors, specific issues like unended partitions and sensor replacement. And then add meeting notes to the database and Notion. See an example of workflow to suggest meeting slots using AI here. This tool will call the workflow you define below and look in the last node of the response. Data workflow inputs, meeting notes, defined automatically by the model. Source database. Uh, right, execute. Provide the data that normally come from the agent node. I execute this node, and it's connected to this. This is my Notion. Hang on. Okay, it says the resource you're requesting could not be found. So it's not quite working. I mean, it's generating this data set, which is in Supabase, the cloud database. Let's say you wanted to like classify appointments. Like you had an email trigger from Gmail. You could classify your different appointments and then send a reply, or you can mark as read, or you can connect it to your calendar. What I have, why is this not loading? My gosh. Okay, so it's a problem with Notion. And Notion's still a baby program. It's only relatively new, so it doesn't have all of the features that I want it to have. But like in Notion, I imported this the emails table like this, and I did that just by going to new and then like importing the CSV manually. And then so imagine you could do this like every day where you take in all of your new emails and you put them into a CSV and it dumps it into Notion, and then you can ask like what are the important emails that were discussed today, and then it will ask a question, and yeah, and then it says I didn't find any information about emails discussed today, June 13th. Some of these emails were actually from yesterday,